Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about auto resolve below error. I am getting this error while using H2 database. Script statement failed exception. Failed to execute SQL script statement. I have a one data.sql file is there. So I am inserted one row. After running Spring Boot application, I am getting this error while using the H2 database. I will show first when I am getting this error. After that, I will explain how to resolve this error. So let's get started. So this is the Spring Boot application. In this Spring Boot application, I am using the H2 as a embedded database or in-memory database. So I'm using first dependency I will show. See, this is the H2 database. So I am using, these are the few properties. I'm enabling the H2 database conjure. This is the base URL, username, password. For this is to visible SQL query. So I will run this application, right click, run as Spring Boot app. After running this, it will generate the SQL query for actor table. See, this is the table name, actor table, because we have one entity there. See, as I say, main Java entity, actor entity is there. We are mentioning name actor table. So to access, we have table, right? So we have table created to access. This is the H2 database. To access H2 conjure, so we need to open http colon double slash localhost. I'm using port 9090 / h2 hyphen conjure. This is the h2 hyphen conjure. This is the conjure password. This is the JDBC URL we are mentioning say application dot properties port is 9090 we are mentioning to access h2 database conjure h2 hyphen conjure. After that, up to this is the fixed. This one we are mentioning testdb username password we are mentioning. So these all details appear by default. We need to enter password, test connection, see, test succeed. Again enter password, connect. Here we have table called actor table. So select this one, run. But no rows, right? Now I am using data.sql to insert one row. For actor table, two columns are their ID, name. So let's start. While this process, after adding that file data.sql, I'm getting script failed error. See here data.sql finish. See data.sql to open this, close this one, right click, open with text editor. So go to actor entity. We have two fields, ID and name. So insert into table name underscore table column names ID name values, insert into table name column names values. This is the ID I'm mentioning integer. So I'm giving 101 comma name single quotation. I'm giving Raja. So semicolon control S. After this, after adding this data.sql, I am running this application. After running this application, I am getting that error. See, no, I will get one error. See, script statement failed exception. So So I am getting this error while using H2 database. After I am creating data.sql, this file I am getting script statement failed failed exception. To resolve this, first I will explain why this error occurs. I am opening Notepad to write one bullet point why this error occur. Reason for error and solution. Reason for this error and solution. Data.sql is getting executed before our tables created in H2 database and we can and we want to delete that by adding one key value pair in application dot properties file. So reason for error and solution. Which error we are getting here in console? Script statement failed exception. Reason for data.sql is getting executed before our tables created in H2 database, and we want to delete that by adding one key value pair in application or properties file. So like before creating, data is executed, getting executed before our tables created. Before tables created, this insert query executed. That's why it is failing. Before tables created, insert query is executed. That's why it is failing. To resolve that, we need to add one key value pair in application.properties file. That is spring dot jpa dot defect differ data source hyphen initializer initialization equal to true. Spring dot jpa dot differ hyphen data source hyphen initialization equal to true. We copy this, control C, stop the server, go to application.properties, control V. This symbol is for comments. Spring dot jpa dot differ data source initialization. See here what is saying? Default value it is false. I'm enabling to true. So true. Control S. I will rerun now. Let's see this time we are getting or not. Run a Spring Boot app. Wait some time. This application will be started. Here, table created and no errors. Let's close this and reopen. Let's check. This is the console URL. We need to enter password. After the test, it is working. Connect. So let's double click, select, run selected. See, 101 Raja. Now data.sql 101 Raja. By using this key value pair, we are successfully resolved. Script statement failed exception. While using H2 database, I am getting script statement failed exception. While using H2 database and I am inserting few records through data.sql file, I am getting script statement failed exception. To resolve that, I am added spring.jpa.differ hyphen data source hyphen initialization equal to true. This key value pair in application.properties file. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video channel.